channel. I'm LaDonna and I'm back with another video. I am back with another video. So in today's video, let me get y'all together. Today's video, I'm just getting ready to show y'all what I got in my Macys Beauty bag for the month of February 2025. And I will make sure to put all the information down below. So first thing we received in the bag is a lip plumper. Okay, there it is. And it is by Tarte. It is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump, which I have one of these. I had one of these that I received from Ipsy, and I haven't used it in a while. I don't know why, but I really do like these. This is a smaller one, of course. Super tiny, but okay. So there it is. Oh, these feel really nice on the lips. It kind of like it melts right. Damn, it melts right when it hits the lips. So that is our first little item in our bag. The second thing we received is a plumping mask. It's for the hair, and this is by Bumble and Bumble. It's a pretty nice size. So it says they gave us a little card with this. This is a plumping mask for the hair. It says volumizing in-shower treatment expands each hair strand for a full-on all-day volume. So that's a pretty nice size. That's a pretty nice size. We're gonna definitely give this a try. I used to hate receiving hair products, but I'm like, why not try it? And Bumble and Bumble is pretty good, so we're gonna give it a try sooner or later. So that is our second item in our bag. And the third item in the bag is a mascara by Lancome. I don't know if this was a primer mascara. It's a booster. It says it's a booster XL. So I'm not sure if this is a primer for the lashes. I think it is. It got to be a primer for the lashes. We're definitely gonna give this a try. To see if it works. This is definitely like a primer for your lashes. I see that here in my face too. So this is by Lancome. It's like a primer for your lashes. We'll give it a try. All right, so that's the third item in our bag. The fourth item in the bag is by YSL. We got us a pretty little lipstick. I thought this was so cute. Boom. Look how cute that is, y'all. That's really cute. I don't know what color it's in, but this is a really pretty brown. Like a brownie shade. Reddish brown, I would say. That's really pretty. We'll try that. So that's that. Next, we have a blush by Laura Geller. And this is really pretty. This is really pretty. This is super pretty. And this is the color right there. I'm afraid to use it because I have this color. I don't know. So I'm gonna use this. Let me use this shade right there and see. Oh, that's very pretty. Very, very pretty. That's really pretty. I'm gonna definitely use it. I love Laura Geller's products. She got some really nice makeup. Let's put a little bit more. This is really nice. Okay. Okay, Laura Geller. All right. I love that. So that is our blush right here. Blush palette called Blooming Rose. And it is very pretty. Very pretty. And then our bonus item, you guys, I'm going to just put a video up here. I gave it to my daughter. I think she put it in her makeup bag and took it to school. But it's a little cute heart mirror that they gave us. And I ended up giving it to my daughter. She wanted that. I was going to give it to her anyway, but I showed her this morning and she was like, ooh, I want that. And she took it to school in her little, and she took it to school with her little makeup bag. But I thought it was really, really cute. That's a nice little box. I enjoy getting these little items because I just enjoy getting these items. You can always test different types of skincare out or makeup. And it's only like $14 or $15. That's it. So I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that little bag. I enjoyed those products. So that is it for this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see all you beautiful, blessed people in my next video. Need to clean up. Don't look at that. Don't pay that no mind. But I see all you beautiful, blessed individuals in my next video. I am LaDonna. And I'm out. Bye, y'all.